In Valencia 2020, the MotoGP world watched as Joan Mir clinched the championship in a final showdown that kept fans breathless to the finish. Behind the scenes, Ducati engineers chase marginal gains, while Mir tightens late braking and strategic tire choices under relentless pressure from rivals. The race erupts with dramatic overtakes on the main straight and a masterful tire management routine that preserves grip through rain and heat. Gravity shifts in the pit as crew chiefs orchestrate timing gambits and riders adapt setups lap by lap, guided by data and simulations. This chapter proves that in MotoGP, the smallest margin seeds legends and reshapes the sport for seasons to come.